Hey, Thailand Tom here with my beautiful wife, and today she's trying to get me to eat something else I haven't tried before. Look at this. Thailand Tom here. Hey, what is this you're going to have me eating?
เขียดน้อย
Oh, small frog.
เขียดแห้งทอด
And it's some crispy little bugger. Turn it around.
อร่อย
Turn around. And that tasty. Oh, yeah.
To see from up here.
You sure?
yes อร่อย darling crispy
You still have the legs and head and everything.
yes eat already eat all of it good try
It's so beautiful.
อร่อยไหมyummy yummy
We meant to be in the great outdoors.
It tastes like burned
Forever free.
potato crisp. Like you burn them too much.
yes but today I burn them too much
No, it's okay, but it doesn't really have.
taste
Taste.
burn little bit yes
Yeah, it doesn't really have. It doesn't taste something, you know.
yeah because I cannot take put รสดีทัว I don't know how English say power sauce นะคะนี่they can be very good and have more little bit pepper
And salt.
and salt yes or
Need salt.
sauce I mean this one sauce and pepper
Like soy sauce
yes soy sauce too and pepper
and salt.
okay and salt good ไหม
Hey, thank you. Not so good, but it's okay. Thank you.
Great outdoors.
eat that
Not the best snack I've ever had, but I mean, it's not disgusting. It works.
Meant to be.
Okay, see you later. Bye bye.